The Electric School Bus Initiative at the World Resources Institute built this data dashboard to give communities, school districts, policymakers, and other stakeholders easy access to the best, most recent information on electric school bus adoption and the school bus fleet across the United States. We hope this tracking and fine-grained data will help accelerate an equitable transition to electric school buses. There are a variety of reasons you might engage with this dashboard. Advocates, for example, may want to better understand the fuel composition of the school bus fleet in their state to make a stronger case for electric school buses. School districts may be interested in which funding programs their peers in nearby districts and states are using. Policymakers may want to learn whether their electric school bus funding programs are benefiting underserved communities. These are just a few examples. The dashboard contains 9 pages that show charts and important takeaways on different topics. These include electric school buses locations, deployment status, manufacturer, and funding source, as well as the social, economic, and health characteristics of the students that the buses serve. It also explores the distribution of fuel types and school bus ages in the entire U.S. school bus fleet, at the national and state level. The yellow rectangular buttons along the bottom show the different pages and let you move between them. Here are some ways that you can interact with the dashboard. At a basic level, you can view the national level data and findings that are shown by default on each page. Each page begins with a headline on that topic, followed by 2 or 3 visualizations. More detailed takeaways are in the sidebar on the right. To view the dashboard in full screen, click on the icon in the bottom right, with an arrow pointing up and right inside a box. If you want a deeper dive into a certain topic or location, you can filter the data based on your interest. All the visualizations are interactive. Here are some ways you can interact and filter. For maps, you can zoom using the plus and minus buttons in the top right, or using the scroll wheel on your mouse. You can hover over states or school district points to see a pop-up with more detail. Clicking on a state will filter the electric school bus counts on top to show totals for only that state. Some visualizations have filters on the right side. Click the down arrow to open the drop-down menu and then select or deselect items. You can also click on an entry in a legend or on a section of a chart to filter to that selection. Some pages also have buttons. With these buttons, you can toggle between showing and hiding sections for missing or unknown data. Other buttons let you toggle between showing all committed electric school buses or just those that are on the road. Again, committed refers to a bus in any of the 4 stages of adoption: awarded or funded, ordered, delivered, or operating. On the road refers to buses in just the last 2 stages of adoption, delivered or operating. When you filter the visualizations, or when we update the dashboard every month, it is drawing on 3 detailed datasets. These datasets are also available for you to download in full. These are the dataset of electric school bus adoption, with underlying socioeconomic data from the U.S. Census, EJ Screen, and CDC. The dataset of U.S. school bus fleets, which we compiled from state-level data on bus types and fuel types, and the Clearinghouse of electric school bus funding and financing opportunities. More information and links for all of these datasets are available below the dashboard. We hope this dashboard and the datasets it contains will help ground school transportation policymaking in the best available evidence and give communities the information they need to advocate for an equitable and sustainable transition to electric school buses.